Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to get some better than the Dyson curls. I bought the Dyson. I was super disappointed. I feel like this method saves you way more time and the curls actually last. So let's get into it. So first I go in with Pureology Hydrate Shampoo and Conditioner. This is my favorite shampoo and conditioner. I've been using it for years and I always end up going back to it. It just is amazing. I also don't normally wrap my hair in a towel. I usually use a t-shirt. It's gentler on your hair. It's supposed to prevent breakage, so that's what I do. Then I go in with a Kenra product. I believe it's the Style Prep, and this is pretty much the only product I use while it's wet. I want some volume, and I find that even if I use volumizing products in my hair, it ends up either making my hair greasy or weighing it down. So I only use the Style Prep to keep my hair bouncy and volumey. So now I'm going to go in with my wet brush. If you guys don't own a wet brush, you need to. This stuff it just makes it easier to brush your hair when it's wet. It keeps your hair from breaking with regular hair brushes. And if you're tender-headed, this will also help you as well. All right, so I know I'm whipping out the Dyson and I already said that I don't like it. The reason why I'm using it is because I had a Dyson hair dryer, but it actually broke after a few years of using. So I had bought the Dyson Airwrap because there was so much hype around it and I needed a hair dryer because mine broke, and here we are. So this is the only hair dryer I own right now, especially since I spent $600 on it. I am just kind of stuck with it. So yeah, use whatever hair dryer you have. So let me spill the tea really fast on why this product did not work out for me. I just felt that the Dyson curls just literally do not hold very long. And not only that, it just takes way too long to do all of my hair. I am a mom and I am busy and tired most of the time, and I don't want to spend hours on my hair, and that's what I was doing with a Dyson. So it just didn't work out for me. So again, if it works out for you, I think that's great. I just have a lot of hair and not a lot of time to do it. Just a little time saving tip that I normally do is I'll shower at night and I'll put my hair in a bun and I'll sleep with it wet, and in the morning my hair will still be wet, but just a little bit drier than it normally would be, and then that's when I blow dry it. And I feel like this step just ends up going way faster than if you're blow drying your hair while it's soaking, or you can just wait until your hair is pretty much almost dry to do this step. All right, and once my hair is dry, I basically just divide out the bottom section and I kind of brush it through, and then that's when I start going in with my curling iron. Now this curling iron is from Conair and it's literally 1,000 years old. It's probably time for a new one. You can use whatever curling iron you want. I opt for the smaller one. This one's probably about 1.5 inches. All the bigger ones kind of don't really work on me, so this is basically my favorite size to use. But basically I try to curl under. I start from the middle and I start twisting that curling iron all the way down until I get to the bottom, and then I pull it up. Then I wait a few seconds, I drop the curl, and then I grab my duck clips and my rollers, and then I'll start at the bottom of the curl, and then I'll start rolling up. And make sure you're still curling under or the same direction you curled with your curling iron. And then I just clip that and I do that all around the bottom section of my hair. All right, for the middle section, I pretty much use most of my hair. I only leave like a sliver of hair at the top for my most volume areas that I want. But basically, again, I'm gonna repeat the same steps all around this section. All right, so for the top section, I definitely ran out of rollers, so I just went ahead and clipped it with my duck clip. I should probably say that you actually don't really need rollers to do this. You can just do it with just some clips. But I had 2 rollers left at this point and I saved them for my bangs. So again, I didn't do anything special for my bangs. I just, again, curled them under, added the rollers, nothing special. This was my last two sections, and after they were done, I just went ahead and basically did my makeup. So once you're done, just go ahead and spend as much time as you need doing whatever you want. I didn't get to record actually when I took them out, but once you take them out, you're gonna wanna brush your hair, and I'm using Paul Mitchell gloss drops all over my hair to just kind of tame the frizz and make it all shiny and smooth. And this is basically the final result. Now this style will last me around 2 to 5 days, I want to say, especially if I hit it up with some dry shampoo on those greasy days. You guys know what I'm talking about. And you know, if I lose any curls, sometimes I hit it up with a curling iron again, but this is basically the longest lasting curls that I can get. The Dyson kind of gave me some frizzy results, and the next day they were kind of gone. So you guys try it, let me know what you think, and make sure you guys subscribe so you guys don't miss another video.